Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente.
We're going to walk uphill from the bus. Our rooms are up at the top there. So we got these steps, numerous steps to walk up. I'm going to take a little rest here and then we're going to get back to the room. All right. So we're doing some retail shopping here and we got 2 floors. I found one place that has some magnets, but I don't have any pesos, but one of my fellow travelers said they would loan me some pesos. So I just had to find it. All right, let me go back to it. Okay. Stop, let me get in front of you here. This is the church. I have to get the Latin long off of this. I'm going to take a picture too. The inside of the church. Okay. Here we're just leaving the church, which is back up here. And we're going to come out here and go around the town here. They have little water fountains and different things here.
They come here. They can go to El Rosario for a day. And then, or they can go to the carables around, to do, some adventure sports.
So hang out at that lake.
Exactly. They are part of the boat. So you can take, you're like, woohoo! Go around, large ones actually. Yes, so people just come.
Well, this is the restaurant where we just ate right here. And we're getting ready to depart. And here's a little view of the town that we walked around. And I'll put the name of this, but I took a picture. I got the latitude and longitude, so I can't remember the name right now. But there's a lake there too. Pretty nice. Very warm here, very warm here. So I'm in a t-shirt. So yeah. Okay, here we go. Everybody moving. Going different places, doing different things. Okay. See you later, then. Well, we got this statue of this guy here. Everybody touches his hand. So I don't know what it stands for. He's a winged something or other there. And yeah, there he is, right there. And we're right in town here. And it's right by the lake. Sun's going to be in the camera, but there's the lake right there. So there we go. Look at that, got a star there too.